Hi friends, myself Manali Rathod. Subject is organizational behavior and my presentation topic is work from home. My opinion is work from home. It is not possible to stop doing work because of pandemic, so the best alternative is work from home. It will help to maintain our economic balance as well as help us to stay safe at home. The saving your money, save on startup cost, has to need to buy a rent business premise, saving your times, save time that would be spent on looking for suitable business property, more flexibility, avoid becoming tied into long-term tendency agreements, family commitments, agree work around family commitments, help from family. For examples, they may help to with filling or general administration tasks, minimize traveling time, save on times and your money spent traveling to work, less distractions, avoid the noise and distraction of the workplace. Yes, if I am owner of any company, so definitely as per the today conditions, I will give the option of work from home to my employee, because nowadays the whole world is the facing of problem pandemics, and employee can be efficiently work by selecting the options of online work from home. The first is a daily waste less time commuting. Cutting out a commute can be both a hug moral boosters and hug time saves employee will also waste less money on gas or public transportations. The second is you want to have to pay for office space. Working from home means either or office at the very least is a loss less office space. If you don't want to make a switch to the completely remote environment, try the strategizing your employees work from home days to save on office space. Automatic detect to the money saved on office space to fund home travel budget. The third point is you want to have to pay office suppliers. No one liked doing the blank orders for the office suppliers. By having employee work from home, you can cut out lot of this useless expenditure. The fourth point is you won't have to pay for office snacks. Some goes for office snacks as office supplies. IMB has saved about 100 millions annually. Snacks being the is remote work program. The fifth is no more wasting time on useless meetings. Remember, the productivity things will a lot of that's come to cutting all the useless meetings and other time wasted that the in office environment. The sixth point is you don't have to go all or nothings. If 100% work from home environment, it is a no card of your business. Try giving employee that opportunity to work from home once a week or the few days out of the month. Most of the benefit listed here will still apply. These 100 companies all offer work from home option, but very few are the completely remote. The 7th point is it will increase employee loyalty. Almost anyone who has had to change to work from home will never dream the given it up by giving your employee this change. They will be extremely loyal in your company. The eighth point is flexible schedules. You can take breaks at any moment. Feel no rules to hug up your family members when they calls and eat lunch at any weather time of want. The nine is attract new talent. Home working can be offered as the incentive to the come and work to you helping you attract new talent your business. The 10th point is increase staff motivations. By working from home, staff will feel more the trusted by their employers as the working relationship it has the close monitored and the employees are allowed a degree of autonomy to get on with the work. Thank you.